I think there's two aspects to it. One is our mission as a university is about the global reach, and one of the reasons why we partnered with AstraZeneca is they shared our view of a not-for-profit vaccine which could be distributed around the world. And so that is both the fact that it can be distributed through fridge temperatures, which helps it be able to get to all corners of the world, but also they've put in place manufacturing around the world that allows that supply chain of new vaccine wherever you are to be available. And I think that's the key bit for us is that global distribution of the vaccine. So let's hope the next few weeks go well, because it would be great to see people protected. And I think the other really important thing is we need all the vaccines. There's too many people in the world for any of this battling between different vaccines that we've seen going on. We need to protect everyone. And we're only protected ourselves in our community, whether it's for health reasons or economic reasons, when everyone is protected.